Hey, what's going on everybody? Welcome to my channel Limitless NYC, and today we're going to be talking about how to pay any bill with a credit card. Well, first of all, you may be asking yourself, why would you want to pay a bill with a credit card? Well, the reason you would want to pay your bill with a credit card is sometimes maybe you don't have the actual cash with you and you won't get it till a further date and you don't want to be late on your bill. So maybe you want to pay that with the credit card and then end up paying off the credit card at the end of the month. But as I'm sure you guys already know, some merchants don't allow you to use a credit card, and then some merchants also charge you a big fee like 4% to use a credit card. In order for you to avoid this 4% fee, or maybe even a merchant that's not going to let you pay your bill with a credit card, so some of those can be maybe you want to pay your car loan with a credit card and they won't allow you to do it. They'll only allow you to withdraw from your bank account. The way you would pay any bill with a credit card is by using a service called Plastiq. Plastiq is a service that allows you to use your credit card to pay off your bills. So what Plastiq basically does is they'll charge your credit card and then they'll have a check sent to the merchant on your behalf. The check will go towards whatever bill you're paying. Plastiq makes it incredibly easy for you to pay any bills, your car loans, your mortgages. But just because Plastiq allows you to do that, they're not doing it for free. You still do have to pay a 2.5% fee in order for you to have that check sent on your behalf. Another scenario where you would use Plastiq is, for example, I have certain business cards and I wanted to use my business cards in order to pay my personal bills. Like, for example, I wanted to pay my Con Edison bills. In my case, I wanted to use a business card to pay my Con Edison bills for my rental property. But what happened was Con Edison wouldn't let me use my business credit card to pay my bills because they said business credit card can't be used to pay personal bills, supposedly. So what I did was I used the service Plastiq. They charged me 2.5%, which Con Edison charges you anyways for using a credit card. So that was a win-win situation for myself. So even though I paid 2.5%, I would have paid 2.5% anyways. And since Con Ed wasn't allowing me to do it, the service Plastiq was perfect. Another way you can take advantage of this is by getting credit card sign-up bonuses. So let's say, for example, your card note is $500 and now you open up a new credit card that says spend $500 and you get $200 cash back. So now you use the service Plastiq. So your card note is, like I said, $500. So for a $500 car note, you're going to have to pay 2.5% fee. So on $500, 2.5% is about $12.50. It will only cost you $12.50 to send your $500 check to whoever holds your car note. But remember, now that credit card that you got is spend $500 and get $200 back. So you got $200 back. You only paid $12.50 in fees and then you got back $200. So you actually netted $187.50. You can also use Plastiq to send money directly to people via a credit card. So a great way that I've used this myself personally is I needed a car, so I saw a car for about $7,000. But even though I had the $7,000 in cash, I wanted to hold that money in cash because I like having cash on hand. And instead, I used Plastiq to pay him. Of course, I got lucky because the guy, he agreed to take the payment from Plastiq. The credit card that I used had a year and a half of no interest, so I pretty much financed that car for $7,000. Interest free. Even though the credit card was 0%, I did pay an upfront fee of 2.5%. For $7,000, 2.5% is $175. Pretty much financed the car at 0% for a year and a half by paying an upfront fee of $175. You can also use Plastiq to pay something like your mortgage. That would only be worth it if you are gonna hit a sign-up bonus on a certain credit card, or if you don't have the money at the moment and you wanna pay it off later, or you wanna use the money for something better, like you can invest it somewhere where it will earn you more money, and then you have the money to actually pay it back whenever your 0% interest period is over. So if you are interested in any of the credit cards that I was talking about today that have 0%, like the one I mentioned earlier where you get $200 back after you spend $500 in the first 3 months, that is two different cards. It's the Chase Freedom Unlimited and the Chase Freedom Flex. I'll put both of those links in the description. If you guys do want to sign up, I'd really appreciate if you use my links. I hope you guys can take advantage of all the different things you can do because you can do something like paying off your bills with your credit card. Just a side note, Plastiq no longer allows you to use American Express to pay off mortgages. You can still use American Express to pay off a lot of other bills, but mortgages are no longer one of the things that you can use American Express for. But many Visa and MasterCards still allow you to do this, and Plastiq pretty much lets you use it with mostly every other card. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope I taught you something new. If I did bring you some value, make sure you hit that like button, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and make sure you hit the notification bell to get notified every time I post a video. Until next time, Limitless NYC out.